So in this section, we're going to review calculating molar mass, and then we're going to use the molar mass to calculate either the mass or the number of moles of a specific substance. So in the first example, it asks, what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? For this, we're going to need the atomic mass of carbon and oxygen. So I'm going to list carbon and oxygen here. And you can use the periodic table that you have in class, or I'm going to use this tab to find the atomic mass of carbon and oxygen. So here we have carbon, 12.011. I'm just going to round to 12.01. And oxygen, 15.99. 15.99 could be rounded to 16.00. The formula is going to go with the chemical formula. So if I want, I can copy the chemical formula here. And then on the next line, I'm going to include 1 times the mass of carbon plus 2 times the mass of oxygen. And the total would be 44.01. And because we're calculating molar mass, that's grams per mole. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44.01 grams per mole. I got that information from the periodic table, and I used the chemical formula to help me decide if I should multiply the atomic mass according to the subscripts. The second part of the question is now going to use the molar mass to calculate something else. So in this case, our known will be the molar mass of carbon dioxide. And also what is given in the question, which is 2.5 moles of carbon dioxide. The formula in this case, we're going to be doing a conversion. So if we have moles and we're trying to find grams, then we're going to do moles times. We want to put the moles on the bottom and the grams on top, so grams per mole. That way the moles will cancel and we'll be left with the grams. So in this case, it will be 2.5 times 44.01 grams per mole, and the total would be 110.02, and the units would be grams, like we see here. So hopefully that helps. If you are looking for grams and you have the moles, then you're going to flip this over. So it's going to be moles per gram, which means it would be 1 over this number. Another way of saying that is that instead of multiplying by the grams per mole, you're going to divide by the grams so that you get the moles. And we'll do an example like that on a future slide.